Bollywood stars who haven't donated money yet. Amir Khan. Amir Khan is one of the highest paid Bollywood actors right now in the industry. Mr. Perfectionist of Bollywood has not made any announcement of donation during this time of crisis in our country. Amitabh Bachchan. Veteran actor Big B was approached by the president of FWICE to contribute for the daily wage workers. But the veteran actor has not replied to his request or have not donated any amount for PM's relief fund too. Ranbir Kapoor. One of the leading actors of Bollywood, Ranbir has not made any donation yet to PM's fund or for the daily wage workers. Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha Kapoor is one of the leading actresses in Bollywood with many super hit movies under her name. Shraddha is keeping her fans updated with her daily life, but she has not donated or provided any financial help till date. Ranveer Singh. This Bollywood actor has been sharing a lot of posts with his fans on social media about his daily life. Ranveer has not made announcement yet about his part of contribution. Ananya Pandey. Young Bollywood actress Ananya is daily updating her social media accounts to keep her fans updated during this time. Where every Bollywood celebrity is donating money, Ananya has not declared anything about her donation yet. Shahid Kapoor. Shahid Kapoor is one of the most leading highest paid actors of Bollywood with many super hit movies in his bag. The actor has not made any tweet or post about his donation as he has not made any donation till date. Janhvi Kapoor. Many young Bollywood actors have come forward to help the nation at this time of crisis. But Janhvi has not declared till date about her donation or any contribution for the country or for the cine workers. Tiger Shroff. This star kid is in the industry for quite a few years now and has done many hit movies. Though Tiger has asked people to be aware of the current situation, the actor has not made any contribution yet. John Abraham. Handsome hunk John is in the industry for many years now. The actor, who mainly does patriotic movies, has not yet donated a single penny for the country in this tough situation. Arjun Kapoor. This Bollywood actor has been in the Bollywood industry for many years and he has done many hit movies. This actor has not yet helped the Indian government or daily wage cine workers financially during this tough situation. Aishwarya Rai. This Bollywood actress is in the industry for many years and she is considered as one of the most beautiful women. The actress has not made any announcement of donating money during this tough situation that our country is going through. Jacqueline Fernandez. Bubbly Bollywood actress Jacqueline is currently making everyone's heart skip a beat with her beauty with her new music video Genda Phool. But the actress has not come forward to help the government financially in this situation of crisis.
Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.